Hey, it's Joe at Fabspeed Motorsport USA. Very excited to show you our latest new engineering development. What we've accomplished here is we have created a kit or a system that you can take a Porsche GT3 center muffler, whether it's the stainless steel factory one or the titanium version, and install it on your Porsche 981, Cayman or Boxster, GT4 or Spyder, respectively. Awesome kit. We're going to also work on it for the air-cooled models and maybe the 987.2. We designed inlet and outlet pipes. These are all 2.5 inches, 63.5 millimeter. The beauty of it is we design them with no weld, so it's all one-piece stainless steel made in-house on our Unison Limited defense quality bender. And then you have the connecting pipes that go in the muffler on the side. The beauty of these are, this is 321 interlock stainless steel made by a United States company. Premium quality. And then the key thing on our Fabspeed kit, we're the only company in the world to use the factory Porsche GT3 RS valves. This exhaust valve I have in my hand, this is made in England by Helical Limited. It's an aerospace company and it's British. The beauty of this valve is it's used by Ferrari, Porsche, McLaren, Lamborghini, and it's bulletproof, made of silica carbide, never rattles, the armature doesn't break, it doesn't leak, and the pneumatic actuator never melts, and it's bulletproof. It's dynamite, so all the hyper manufacturers use it. Fabspeed 7 or 8 years ago stopped using these valves from China or Asia. These valves, the armatures break, the pneumatic actuator melts, and they actually have been tested by Helical. The exhaust gas is leaking through the sides where the armature is because they don't work, even when they're brand new. And beware, some companies will take this, they'll sandblast it, called a signature finish. That's only so they can take the Chinese characters off of it. We also created a mounting bracket for the back of the 981 and cut it on our flow water jet. And you can either reuse your factory Porsche tips if you want to have a stealth look. And we also designed a mounting bracket for our GT3 tips. This is all done in-house on our water jet flow. We put a logo on there, and you'll have your ability to use carbon fiber type tips, 102 millimeters, 4 inches, or we'll have them in stainless, brushed, or polished, or we can even put your name and logo on it. But this whole kit works dynamite from Fabspeed Motorsports. The GT3 center muffler conversion kit for all Porsche Cayman Boxsters 981s. We're also going to be engineering it for the air-cooled cars and the previous generation 987.2 cars. Everything you see here was designed and engineered and tested at Fabspeed Motorsport USA.